In what ways can a quantum computer speed up orbital calculations for incoming space rocks? Quantum computers have the potential to significantly speed up orbital calculations for incoming space rocks, such as asteroids or comets, by leveraging their unique computational capabilities. Quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously, enabling them to perform complex calculations much faster than classical computers. Here's how a quantum computer could potentially speed up orbital calculations for incoming space rocks. Parallelism. Quantum computers can take advantage of quantum parallelism, which allows them to perform multiple calculations at once. This capability could be applied to the complex calculations required for predicting the motion of space rocks, leading to faster and more accurate predictions. Optimization. Some orbital calculations involve solving optimization problems, which can be computationally expensive for classical computers. Quantum computers are well suited for solving certain optimization problems quickly, which could help speed up the process of determining the optimal path of a space rock and assessing potential collision risks. Large-scale simulations. Quantum computers have the potential to efficiently simulate large-scale physical systems, such as the gravitational interactions between celestial bodies. These simulations could be used to refine orbital calculations for space rocks, leading to more accurate predictions and a better understanding of their trajectories. However, it's important to note that while quantum computers hold great promise for these applications, there are still significant challenges to overcome before they can be widely used for tasks like orbital calculations. These challenges include improving error correction, scalability, and developing efficient algorithms tailored to quantum computing. As progress is made in quantum computing research, we can expect to see more applications, including those related to orbital calculations, benefit from the speed and efficiency offered by quantum computers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.